Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by exposing the zipper and clearing loose grime so treatments reach the metal. Using a soft brush and mild detergent, scrub along the teeth. Once done, rinse with a damp cloth and dab dry. If metal shows green or white oxidation, apply a 50/50 white vinegar water mix with a cotton swab to soften deposits. Make sure to test on a hidden seam first to avoid fabric damage. Keep the slider open while you work so you can access both sides evenly. Once the oxidation has softened, you scrub gently with a nylon brush to lift residue without scratching the metal. If stubborn spots remain, repeat the vinegar application briefly and use a toothpick to dislodge flaky corrosion. Make sure to avoid widening gaps between teeth. After cleaning, rinse and thoroughly dry. Moisture causes more oxidation. Then check slider alignment visually. The slider must sit square over matching teeth. If the slider is misshapen, consider lightly compressing it with pliers in small increments until engagement improves. You finish by lubricating the clean, dry zipper to restore smooth operation. Use graphite or a purpose zipper wax, applying sparingly then cycling the slider to spread it evenly. Make sure to wipe any lubricant off surrounding fabric immediately. If the zipper still snags, inspect for bent teeth or a damaged slider. Often replacing just the slider fixes the issue. As a quick fix, attach a paperclip or keyring to the pull and avoid forcing the slider. If problems persist, replace.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.